Welcome to 10-minute lower back stretches for beginners. This is great for building flexibility and easing any tight muscles or strains in your back. So let's start by lying flat on the ground with our arms reaching forwards. And just stretch out our upper back, shoulders, and just relax our muscles. And just in a Sphinx pose, gently feeling our lower back release and stretching forwards. And back into a Sphinx pose, keeping our shoulders relaxed as well. And going back up. And back down. And having our arms by our sides. And going up into a cobra pose, feeling all of the tension in our lower back releasing from our body. If you need, do some gentle twists and go back down to the ground. Fully relaxed. And when you're ready, go back up. And back down. Maintaining a slow and steady breath. And back up we go. And just holding it and doing some gentle twists. And now going into a child's pose. And going back forwards, all the way down. And placing our arms straight forwards. And going all the way back into a child's pose again. And when you're ready, going into a tabletop position. And we're going to do cat-cow stretches. Arching. And going all the way down, pushing our hips down. And having a slow breath. Try to do this 10 times at least. And now we're going to do disco cat, where we're just drawing a circle with our hips. All the way around. Taking your time. And we'll be doing the same in reverse as well. And just stretching our arms all the way forwards, bringing our chest closer to the ground. And just holding this position for a little while. And going all the way back down to the ground. And just relaxing our body. And just going into a kneeling position. And just clasping your hands together behind your back and just gently raising them up a bit. Lean forwards and try and bring your arms up. This is also great for shoulder mobility. Don't worry if you can't go all the way. And then go and back forwards. Going as far forward as you can, go, and going all the way back. And opening your chest. And again. And all the way back. And just a quick little stretch with our shoulders. And opening our chest up. And now we're going to lie down on the floor on our back. And we're going to bring the right leg up. Bend it and use your left arm to twist. Do this slowly and try to twist all the way. And you'll feel your lower back. It's absolutely euphoric. You'll feel amazing. And just relax in this position. And go back to neutral. And we're going to repeat this on the other side. So lift your left leg and take your right arm and twist. And brings your arms out to your side. And back to neutral. And now we're going to bring both knees up to our chest. And we're just going to pull them in closer to us. This is great for your lower back. Please be careful if you have any injuries. And just hold. And now we're going to just gently rock from side to side. And now we're going to draw a circular motion using our hands to support. Aim for about 5 or 10 circles. And of course, repeat on the other side. And take your time. We're going to do some bridges now, just to build a little bit of strength in your lower back. And raise your legs up and down. Use your hips and lower back and glutes to do this bridge. And take your time. If you haven't done these before, that's completely fine. Just go to where is comfortable for you. And use your hands by your sides to support you. And lie back down on the ground. And when you're ready, let's go back to a seated position. I hope you enjoyed these lower back stretches. I will see you in the next tutorial.